Hi, I'll show you the tool data sheet in ToolsUnited. It consists of the head area over here, the graphics on the right side, and the parameters in the middle, and on the left we've got some other tabs. Let's start with the parameters in the middle because they are pretty much the heart of ToolsUnited. A parameter consists of a symbol on the left, it's A1 over here. We've got a description, the cutting diameter, and we've got a value, 12 millimeters for the cutting diameter. On the top right, we've got the tool class graphic, where the most important parameters are specified. We can switch between different value categories on the left over here, for example, to the 3D properties. And those are the ones relevant for creating 3D models from the parameters. On the top right, we can switch between the GTC values and the D4000 values. Further below, we've got the working processes, and below that, we've got the interface codes. For this milling cutter with solid cutting edges, it's only the connection code for the machine end. For an indexable tool or a holder, we would have the workpiece interface codes as well. Through the connection codes, we can go for the matching component search. Below that, we've got speeds and feeds, and those always depend on the material, obviously. And then we also have different speeds and feeds for different machining operations, and sometimes depending on the cooling lubricant as well. Below that, we've got some rudimentary order data. Back on the right side, below the tool class graphic, we've got DXF files provided by the manufacturer. We've got some photo of the tool. We've got 3D models provided by the manufacturer. And below that, if possible, we've generated a 3D model from the parameters. You can also go to the left side and can switch to the graphic generator where you can export 3D models or 2D models, which will be according to the standard. Below the graphic generator, we've got the accessories, but those are only relevant for holders or indexable tools. On the head area, we are able to build up a tool assembly, find the matching components via the interface codes, copy and edit the tool, export it directly, or configure and export ourselves, add the tool to a tool card or create a tool card if you didn't create one before, send feedback directly to the tool, or switch to the print view, which is the same view that you get when you find the tool from Google.